Hey guys, this is Rohi and welcome back to my channel Mrs. Home for a complete home. And today's recipe is Mumbai Street Style Masala Toast. I have toasted this bread both in pan and also in toaster. Let's quickly get into the recipe. To prepare green chutney, here I have taken 1 cup of coriander, half cup of mint leaves, 4 to 5 pieces of capsicum, 1 inch ginger and 2 tablespoons of peanuts and salt as per your taste and half a lemon juice. Add little bit water and grind into a smooth paste. And here is our green chutney is ready. Let's prepare the aloo stuffing. In a pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Add half tablespoon of mustard and cumin seeds. Add 1 cup of chopped onions. Saute this until they become transparent. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Add half tablespoon of turmeric powder, half tablespoon of chili powder or as per your taste, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, chaat masala and mix well. Now add boiled potato mixture. I have already added salt while boiling the potatoes. Now mix well. Add fresh coriander leaves and our aloo stuffing is ready. Now take 2 bread slices. Apply butter on both the breads. Now apply green chutney on both the breads. Now spread this potato mixture. Add onion, tomato and capsicum slices. You can also add cucumber. Now place the cheese slice on top of it. In a bowl I have taken half tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon chili powder and 1 tablespoon chaat masala. Now sprinkle this on top of the cheese. Now close with the other bread. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter and now add this bread. Apply butter on top of the bread slice. Now flip on the other side and toast well. Now this Mumbai toast is ready to serve. Now in a preheated toaster I am going to toast the remaining breads. Apply some butter. Now place the bread slices and apply some butter on top of the bread slices. Now close the lid and toast this until they are done. Chatpata, yummy and delicious Mumbai toast is ready to serve. Now cut this bread into 4 parts. Now apply butter on top of it and apply some green chutney. And top this with some save. Enjoy this yummy and delicious Mumbai toast. Give this recipe a good try and do post your comments and suggestions in the comment section below. And if you are new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Please do subscribe and do press the bell icon to get notifications of my new videos. Enjoy this Mumbai Street Style Masala Toast. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Until then, have a great day. Bye bye.